Hey, Bob here, doing a little repair job for one of my neighbors. Apparently one of her children possibly tipped the guitar over. They don't know for sure. Not blaming anybody, but your typical neck fracture. Yeah, so I'm going to force some glue in there. Hold the guitar upside down, let gravity help me. And just clamp it up. These are my clamps. Coal, some wax paper up here. And the other side is veneer. I'm just protecting it with a piece of paper. It didn't break through the other side. So this is a freebie for a neighbor. Anytime I can help out a neighbor or someone, I try to do that. Okay, Bob signing out. Today is Tuesday, the 9th of September.